Hello and welcome back to the Great Colorado Springs Pizza Showdown, where we have local restaurants compete against each other to find out who has the best slice. We're here at Ruffano's Hell's Kitchen Pizzeria. We got some New York style pizza here. Look at that undercarriage. Nice and crispy. I like it. Just came out of the oven fresh. It's hot. Let's dig in. That's where it's at. That is incredible. The crunch on that crust. These guys know how to do it New York style. It's hard to find really amazing New York style pizza in Colorado, but this is as good as it gets. It was like a great slice. Walking down, coming in for a great slice, taking it on the go. Thin layer of sauce. We got thin crust, thin layer of sauce. Great layer of cheese. Pepperoni's phenomenal. This is so good. This is one of the best pizzas I've had. I haven't been to this spot before. We're here at the East Cheyenne location in the middle of Colorado Springs. I'm giving this one a 9.4. This has got to be one of the best slices I've ever had. I love it because it's not super heavy. Not super heavy on your stomach. Great snack, great meal, great owners. Got the wood fire oven going. 9.4. That's gonna be hard to beat. But this is, I think, the best one that we've had so far. Oh yeah. All right, everybody, we're here with our sponsor of today's video and all the pizza, Mark Huffman with Next Level Management and Consulting. Mark, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do and how you can help small local business here in the Front Range area?
Well, first of all, I appreciate it. I appreciate everything you're doing. I think it's really fun. It's exciting. The people that are here are amazing. But I do digital marketing. So I empower business owners to understand what digital marketing is, how it works, what they can do on their own, what we can do as an agency. And digital marketing doesn't have to be expensive in order to be effective. So 180 different digital services, helping business owners across the United States. It is our passion, and we absolutely love it.
Awesome. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing. And I haven't ever asked this question before, but who is your ideal referral?
My ideal referral is anyone that is struggling online, understanding how they come up in search, wanting to get more traffic in the door, even doing paid ads that aren't really necessarily converting or working for them. I want to show them how that works and why it might not be converting.
Love it. Awesome. You've heard it. Thanks so much.
Thanks, you
Appreciate
guys.
it.
Yeah, man.
I get it 100%. I want that is the best.
Thank you to everyone who came out. And please don't forget, over at AmeriDry Restoration, we are your one-stop shop for anything emergency disaster related, whether it's mold, water, fire, odor, trauma cleanup. We are there for you, 24-hour emergency service. Let us help you when life gets messy. We clean it up. AmeriDry Restoration.